Having dental problems, it affected everything, including my ability to be the best parent I could be. I used to go to these events and I just wanted to like sit in the back. As a father, it really hurts. It's your mouth, but you feel bad from head to toe. So when I found ClearChoice, everything changed right there and then.
Our job is to cater to your needs. Our job is to find a solution. After the dental implant procedure, there's a transformation that happens almost immediately. Having us all under one roof really makes it easy for the patient.
I can be that person that I want to be for my son. This is me now. Being able to go back out and do all the things that I wouldn't or couldn't do before.